Today, we're going to build a round Lego ball using 13 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
The first thing we're going to do is get our boat stud ready to put around our Travis brick. And the way we do that is we get our boat stud and then we get these little tiny flower pieces. And you've got that stud on top of the flower piece and you're going to put it inside the boat stud here, the round boat stud like that. And you're going to do that a total of 5 times. And after you've done that 5 times, you're going to take your 6th boat stud and do the exact opposite. So this time, rather than taking that little tiny stud, you're going to take the large open end and put that into your round boat stud. And this one's going to be a little more difficult, but you just snap it in just like that. And once we have all those flowers in place, we get our Travis brick. And that one that we did the opposite to, the one with the little stud sticking out, you're going to put that in the large open end of your Travis brick. And now the rest are all the same. All 5 are the same. So you get your 5 boat studs and you put them together like this. And you're going to want to line it up so that those studs don't touch but are just opposite of each other, so they're next to each other but not on top of each other. And it's just going to require you to kind of twist and turn a little bit as you put that boat stud on to line them up. But when you get them lined up, they make a perfect fit. And you're going to do that for all 6 sides of our Travis brick. And then once that's done, you've got a perfect Lego ball that rolls.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and you can click on the image to watch another video. Until next time, let's keep building together.